So let me show you how simple products such as this bead tan dark self tanner can make you well over $50,000 on Amazon each and every month. As you can see, I receive a list of what is available from my suppliers each and every day, and that particular product that you're looking at on Amazon is right here and it's being sold to me for just $2.10, and on Amazon it's being sold for well over $7, and there are only 3 of us selling this on Amazon. Okay, so how much of this is being sold each and every month? Well, there are over 38,805 units being sold every month. Let's do a calculation right quick. So we go here on a calculator and we say 38,805 divided by just 3 of us that are selling this. It means each person is selling well over 12,935 units every month, right? 12,935 units every month. When you multiply this by $4 profit that I get on this, it gives you just $51,740 just by